Create dazzling projects that will put a twinkle in any viewer's eye with the Go Mill and Stars die. This user-friendly block on board or bob die features 3 shapes and can cut one 4-color block in a single pass through any Go fabric cutter. With screen printed letters, built-in 1/4-inch seam allowances, and specialized dog ears, piecing and assembling this block is effortless. Since the Mill and Stars die finishes at 8 inches, think about pairing it with other dies and cubes that finish to the same size to make radiant throw quilts, stellar wall hangings, and more. Your quilting projects will light up a room with this brilliant die because at AccuQuilt we help you cut time so you can quilt more.